Yo. Now shorty, let's get down to business. If you ain't got no interest in working on the problems, then I'm gone. Fuck that, if I ain't gon' fight for what's needed, I ain't got no right in breathing. But if it's up to me, then it's on. Now baby, let me please, you belong with me. And if you let me, I can prove it true. I remember when we met, all the I love yous I said, and I remember losing you too. If you're feeling it the same, I still won't change the claim. You are the one that I meant to love, even if all I get is pain. I still remember the game, don't remember my name. You don't remember who I am on my life, I wish you stayed, yeah. Forgive for being selfish though, on the break and on the road, only where the helpless go. Gotta play the cards and get a gift that I was dealt the fold. I thought I was hot, right until I felt the cold. I never thought that I'd be sitting here missing you, telling you that I'm wishing you could be here. It's fucked up that, I swear to God, baby, we ain't kissed in years. I miss you, I need you, I can't lose you again. I tried over and over, I can't release, just repent. You are astounding, house with a porch around it. They said love is hard to find, well of course I found it. I swear I've been about it, but all I'm dreaming of, I try to write some shit, but you're all that I'm thinking of. So this is what I got, this is the best for now. If love is hard, we can turn the rest around. Probably won't be easy, yeah, it'll be the hardest. Meant to be together, let's finish what we started. Try to tell you, baby, I'm on my own. I'll be on the road straight to your home, cause I need you to see you. I know that you believe that it's me and you against the world. You was on my team and I'll never fall, never D-I-E. If you gonna try me, come and see I-D. That ain't make no sense, I spelled the wrong word, but I gotta take it back, I kicked the wrong curb. I don't really know, I skipped the wrong verb, but I had to move it back, I add the wrong serve. So maybe I was wrong, maybe I should go. You're tired of listening to these songs. Maybe I had to say the same shit over and over, and maybe think it's a sentence that's way too long. But I can't bring myself to think that me and you, that shit is extinct. Gotta keep it moving, gotta keep it on the blink, cause I'm not dishonest, I ain't even in the sink. I'm just trying to tell you, baby, put the blame on me. I swear to God, it's the same old me. I'm a little older, got a brain on me, but I never walk around with that thing on me. Come here, baby, put that thing on me. I can show you what it is, ain't no dang on me. Yeah, we gon' be, yeah. I ain't claim on me, this is harmony. I put the harm on me, and if you wanna come and see the baby all on me, I can take it to the crib, take it to the balcony, and show you this is where it is, baby, ain't no doubt me. I'm about to see how you feel, is this really real? Can this even deal? I'm looking at the back, said I'm looking at the rear, trying to get into the front, but I'm moving in the stair. I'm kicking in my lair, thinking what I used to do. Maybe I'm just used to you, thinking all I used to do. And I never knew everything I used to think, but I didn't know what I used to know. I think that it works, I don't really know. I'm back to the verse, I try to go to church, but that shit just hurt. Cause I know without you, there ain't nothing up that's worth anything. Sorry God, sorry Dad, sorry Mom. I'm sorry to everybody who's involved, but if I ain't got her, then I don't want none of y'all. Cause she is all I got, she is all I had, she is all I want, and she is all that's mad. She is all the gold and she is all I ever knew. When it comes to this shit, maybe I ain't losing you. If I do, then I'm through.